Greetings to all the brilliant minds and math and physics enthusiasts out there. I would like to invite you to the journey of calculus on the channel Math 8 Spartan. We'll be seeing more problem solving of calculus, which will take forms of mathematics and physics, specifically electromagnetism. In this video, you'll be learning how to differentiate this problem and also some few concepts about logarithms and calculus. For example, the UV rule. So let's get right into solving this problem. The problem says differentiate log x to the power x plus x to the power log x with respect to x. So let's write this down as y is equal to log x to the power x plus x of x to the power log x. Before diving into this problem, we'll have to understand a property of logarithms. So this is the property. Log b whole to the power a is written as a log b. I hope this makes sense. Now, in this kind of problem, we'll be separating the terms by taking this as b, this term as q. We'll be differentiating them individually, and it will look like this. dy by dx is equal to db by dx plus dq by dx. So firstly, we'll be taking log on both sides by first taking the term b is equal to log x to the power x. So taking log on both sides. Log on both sides. We get log b is equal to log x or the power x. Now, as we've seen the property, this exponent x will come down and we'll get log b is equal to x log of log x. So here we'll start differentiating the terms, both sides, differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides. We get d by dx log b is equal to d by dx of x log of log x. So this is where the UV rule comes into picture. Now I'll be teaching the UV rule. The UV rule is nothing but d by dx. Differentiating UV, we get UV dash plus VU dash. So a question may arise in your minds. What does V dash and U dash mean? So V dash is nothing but differentiating V with respect to x, which is nothing but dV by dx. Similarly, this applies to U dash. So on differentiating this, before we differentiate this, I'll teach you another concept of when we differentiate log x, we get 1 by x. This is a formula in calculus that we'll be using in this problem. So differentiating log p, we'll get 1 by p dp by dx. Then we'll be using the UV rule here. And this is u fix, then v dash, v fix, u dash. So this is u here, this is v. Okay, so u fix v dash, which is we're differentiating v dash, which is log of log x. Log of log x plus we're gonna keep v fix, which is log of log x. Then we'll be differentiating u dash, so which is differential of x with respect to x. So these will get cancelled and we'll get 1. Next step is we write 1 by b dp by dx equal to x. So here we are going to differentiate log of log x. On differentiating log of log x, we get this. As we've seen, log differential of log x is 1 by x. In the next upcoming videos, we'll be seeing x is actually a function the next video, where it'll be sine x and other terms. So we'll be writing this as 1 by log x. This will become 1 by log x plus log of log x. And this will become 1, so we just leave. Now the next step is 1 by b dt by dx equal to x by log x plus log of log x. We take t to the other side by transposing it, and we'll get b it's a log by log x plus log of log x. Log of log x. Let's name this as equation. Now similarly, we'll be differentiating q. What is q here? Q is equal to q is x to the power log x. X to the power log x. So here also we'll be taking the log on both sides. We get log q is equal to log x over log x. So this will come down here. We'll write it the next. Log q is equal to log x times log x. As you know, for example, if we have a times a, we can write this as a squared. So we're going to do the same thing here. Log q is equal to log x. Now we're going to differentiate both sides. We get d by dx log q, then d by dx log x. So in this case, we have to simplify the problem. Let's take log x as, for example, a. So when we differentiate a squared, we get 2a to the power 1. As this is a formula for differentiating terms. X to the power n, differentiating this, we get n times x to the power n minus 1. I hope that makes sense. So for here, we'll write this as 2a to the power 1, and we'll substitute a as log x. So d by dx log q is equal to 2 log x. So on differentiating log of something, we get 1 by something. So here we're going to write this as 1 by q dq by dx is equal to 2 log x. We take q to the other side by transposing it. We get q times 2 log x. So here we missed a step. On differentiating log x, again, which is chain rule here, you'll get 1 by x. One by x. Now we're going to name this as 2. So from 1 and 2, then we get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 2. Let's substitute the value for p and q here. So where's our 1? This is 1. This is 1. So we're going to substitute the value for p here. What is p? P is log x to the power x. Let's write that down. Log of x to the power x times x by log x plus x log times log x. X by log x plus log this is our 1. We're going to write it. So we'll substitute the value for q. What is q? Q is x to the power log x. Substituting with this, x to the power log x. X to the power log x times 2 log x by x. 2 log x. So this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Follow for more on Matty Spartan for more of such calculus problems. Thank you for watching.